Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures. And today we are on Merrill Creek. We're going to have the back camera here. Dad's with me today. He's back from South Carolina. And we are doing a little fishing right now in the pylons, and we got our first fish of the day, nice 15 3/4, and hopefully that's more to come. We're gonna beat them up a little bit today, so let's get after it.
Welcome to Merrill Creek, out and about the middle of it. Very pretty here. Lots of fish here. Hopefully they're going to be biting today. Set to go for another round. First one. Kirk Allen.
Good fish. Good fish.
Yeah.
Looks like you're going to be the cameraman again, Dad. Oh, you got that tight. We're going to measure it. I think it's probably
12
15
and a half.
Oh, really?
What do I know?
Good start. Good start.
Kirk just caught the second fish of the day. Took a little while. Maybe they're going to start biting. Yep, there he is.
Guy. Let's get a measurement on him. I think we're 15.75 on the last fish. And this guy,
14, right?
yeah, we'd call him a 14. We'll give him 14.
Okay, there he is. Laid it on the Bruce Allen's bass trap. Cute little thing, isn't he?
Cute.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you. One.
Well, we got 3 in the boat so far. 2 measurables, 1 little guy. 2 on the Ned rig. 1 on the underwater walking bait. It's been a tough one, really tough one. We probably went 2.5, 3 hours of not catching a fish. Wouldn't you say, Dad?
Yeah.
So it's been tough. The water's crystal clear. I mean, we could see probably right down easy, 20 feet down easy. The fish see us before we see them, and it's been really a tough day.
Yeah, Kirk caught himself another one. Is that close to his eye or something? I guess he'll be alright.
I think that's for this guy.
Maybe they're going to start biting?
Took a long while.
Yeah. Yep, there he
Same
is.
guy.
There we go.
Made a change here, and we got ourselves a little rock bass. Not the target fish, but it's a fish. Oh, little rock bass. You know, we're struggling, but we're still here. It's more overcast. That could be good. Made a subtle change. Switched over to a grub. And yeah, if it catches a couple more, we'll both get on them, I would imagine. They close down here at 7 o'clock, so we can't go for too much longer, but we'll probably go till dinner time. If I know my dad, he likes to fish. So we're fishing foos. I got Dad here fishing with me, and he's on swim bait right now. Or actually, he's on drop shot also. We're both on drop shot right now. Gonna work this area a little bit and then move on. Got 1 fish out of the spot using a underwater walking bait, and so far that's knowing that at least we broke the seal is nice. It's real nice. right in that tree.
Yeah.
I just drop shot fished him right out of that tree. You just put him right in the seat. We got our largemouth today on the yarn.
Yeah. Kirk just got a largemouth, number 5. Doing pretty good.
Look at this guy.
Bad day.
Nice fish.
Large fish, largemouth.
Fish. That's what we got here in the measurement.
$17 plus.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get 17.25 out of him. Got a 17 on this guy. 17.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Nice bite. Drug that drop shot right through a tree limb, and boom, he came right after it. Yeah, this portion of the video is sponsored by the Bagel Store. You can get bagels at the Bagel Store anytime you want. We got bagels. This one has cream cheese, cinnamon raisin cream cheese at the Bagel Store. Get your bagels at the Bagel Store. Don't be a bagel head. Get your bagels at the Bagel Store. Right, Dad?
What?
He loves bagels. Mmm. Delicious. Only at the Bagel Store. Get your bagel today. Huh? Oh, I just got another rock bass, but he fell off at the boat. But I got you on. All right. Well, we're fishing the grub now, and we got a little school of rock bass in here, which are fun. It kind of get you back into catching some fish, but it's not nearly what we're looking for. Oh, a little largemouth.
And he got off.
We lost him.
Did he lose it going in the water?
No, it's right by the cooler.
Okay, there he is. Landed on the Bruce Allen's bass shop. Cute little thing, isn't he?
Cute.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you. One. Or is that a half? The other two were at the drop shot.
The other two. You mean yesterday?
Yeah. I felt a bite before down there.
We just broke off, and I need to tie a drop shot hook. It's a pallet run out. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna show you how to tie it. It's pretty easy, really. Let me grab my hook here. A lot of people know how to tie this knot. A lot of people don't. That's why I'm showing you, just in case you're one of those that don't. First, you gotta grab your hook. Once you got your hook, you want to hold your hook upright like this. And then you want to put your tag end right here, right down into your hole. Straight down. So you want your hook upright like that. All right? And now we're going to pull enough line that we have enough tag line for our weight. This is where it gets kind of interesting. So we're going to take this line and we're going to loop it like this. All right, so you want kind of a loop like that. All right, you're going to hold each end and you're just going to run this hook through this hole. I like to do about 5 or 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 5 on this one. This is the careful part. All right, you're gonna bite this with your teeth, and you're gonna pull your tag end and your main line. You're gonna pull that tight. All right. You're gonna gently let that out of your teeth. You're gonna dampen your line there. All right, and you're just gonna snug that tight. And that is a Palomar. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. It's a really easy knot. A lot of people try to tie it different ways, and some of the ways are really tough, but you can see that really does the job. Let's see if I can cover that up. That really does the job. Yeah, we're good to go. So hope you enjoyed that. My leader's starting to come up, so you know he's getting close. Oh, he's little. Thought he was much bigger than that. Good fighter. Smallmouth. There we go. Smally. This guy might be measurable. I'm still gonna get my drop shot weight out. You can just put this down. There. I think we got a measurable one here. Wait, look over here. So we got another small guy. He's kind of looking around like, hey, what's going on here? Just 13. It's pretty good. Just 13, so that's 3 measurable fish. So pretty decent. A tough day though. Oh, it's been really rough. Let's see if we can get a nice release on this guy. Good to go. But I think maybe that's the key. Just getting them in the deep water is going to be where they're at. So yeah, Dad's out here and he's doing his thing. Here he is. Look at him. Just look at him.
Doing a good sit.
He got one. All right, well, we just had a couple fish breaking water. They were blowing up. Got a nice little smallmouth. Dad had one on too. They're fighters though. They're really hungry. He didn't chunk up any fish, which is kind of weird. Just a quick measurement on this guy. That was on a jerk bait for me. I don't know what Dad was fishing.
This spinner bait of some sort. Yeah,
and we got 14 on him. 14 incher. 14. That was not what that guy was anticipating. Probably like, ooh, free, look at that guy.
I don't know what that was I had, but I saw it. Oh, there's a good. Oh, fucking let go.
Get back out there. Get back out there.
This fish.
They're probably in there waiting for other stragglers, and we're the stragglers.
Did you see that one just a minute ago?
Saw him jump.
Out under the boat.
You see jumps behind you?
I thought I heard it.
If you see jumps, just let me know. I'll aim the boat towards it.
I'll let you know if I see it.
All right, so Dad's on an underspin. I'm on a jerkbait. We're getting a few fish blowing up on some schools, so we're trying to react to it. We thought they were Lakers, but I think they're smallmouth. Based on the fish we just caught, they say smallmouth. Calming down now, though. And we're gonna keep these guys. Oh, came right to me. Chase me up, Dad. Chase me up. Chase me up. I'm gonna try to stall a little bit more on this one. As soon as I got to the boat, I saw him following me, but I didn't get him. So I'm gonna make sure. Now I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. The frenzy's over. I'm just gonna make sure I stall and get some suspension up there. Oh, might be breaking behind us now. What are we switching up to, Dad?
Whatever this is.
My community wants to know.
Yeah, I believe they call this a power bait. It is a skeet release pit boss. Basically, I think it's rubber.
Yeah, it's like a little craw.
Yeah.
Well, that's a wrap. We're tired. We're hot. We're thirsty. Hey, Kool-Aid. Today was a tough one. It was, even yesterday actually, even though we caught more fish yesterday, we didn't catch any fish in the same spot. It was like we had to find another spot to catch fish. And today, the fish were just not on today. I mean, the water was so super clear that I really feel like they saw us coming a mile away. And we had a lot of fun chasing the bait and fishing with them. We both had one on that one. That was a lot of fun. We did bring one in. I think Dad had a big one. And it's a shame it got off, but You know, it's tough when you double up like that. It's really tough because you know you can only net, especially with a jerk bait. There's so many hooks on that darn jerk bait that it's really tough to get the net disconnected from it to grab that next fish. So that one's probably on me. I probably should have maybe got his fish first and then got mine second. Especially with those three hook trebles, it was likely I wasn't going to lose mine. But anyway, that's the way the day worked out. And yeah, making our way back to the boat ramp. Really appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching Kirk Allen Outdoor Adventures, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cue the music.